A crypto wallet is a software or hardware application to store your cryptocurrency. However, cryptocurrencies do not exist in any physical shape or form. Crypto can't technically be stored anywhere except coin wallets. This type of software is easy to use while also being secure and fast. There's a plethora of crypto wallets in the market, and choosing one can be difficult. In this video, I will tell you about the top 5 best crypto wallets in 2022. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. 1. Coinbase Wallet. If you're new to crypto, experts say you should start with a simple hot wallet. Most of the time, these are free and easy to use. They are also often linked to an exchange, which means they can support a wide range of tokens and coins. Experts say that the Coinbase Wallet, which is part of the popular Coinbase exchange, is probably the best choice for beginners. It's easy to use, works with thousands of cryptos, and doesn't keep your private keys. We tell 95% of the people we talk to just to use a Coinbase Wallet, says Chris Brooks, founder of Crypto Asset Recovery, a company that helps crypto investors find their wallet passwords and seed phrases. Campbell says that most crypto investors already use an exchange-hosted wallet like Coinbase Wallet. This is like using an on-ramp and an off-ramp into crypto. 2. Electrum. If you are primarily a Bitcoin investor, you might consider a special wallet that was designed to work with Bitcoin in mind. As such, Electrum may be good for you, as it's easy to use and has been around for more than a decade, something very few other wallets can claim. Because of its focus on Bitcoin and only Bitcoin, Electrum is worth checking out if you are shopping for a Bitcoin wallet. Electrum has been around for more than a decade now, and was built specifically to work with the Bitcoin blockchain, which gives it some speed and security advantages. For example, users can easily connect with the Bitcoin blockchain via Electrum's simple payment verification. Electrum can basically dance around the Bitcoin blockchain more efficiently than other wallets because it was built specifically for that purpose. The drawbacks are that it may not be as beginner-friendly, and the biggest downside is that it only works with BTC. So if you want to store other cryptos, this isn't for you. 3. Exodus. An altcoin is a catch-all term for any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. There are thousands of altcoins out there, so a good crypto wallet for storing altcoins safely supports many of them and makes it easy to trade and buy them. Exodus works with more than 180 types of cryptocurrencies, and you can buy and sell them without leaving the wallet and going to an exchange. Even though Exodus doesn't support as many coins as other wallets, you can keep all of your cryptos in one place and connect them to multiple exchanges. Also, the wallet's built and deal lets you connect directly with other users. So, it's a bit more advanced than Coinbase, but Exodus is better if you want to be able to switch between more coins and exchanges easily, depending on how safe you want to be. You can also choose between a desktop, mobile, or hardware wallet. The hardware option integrates with a Trezor wallet, a Trezor wallet that runs an Exodus hot wallet. 4. Trezor Model T. If security is your primary concern, experts agree a cold storage hardware device can't be beat. For somebody who wants to take no security risks, move your assets to a hardware device, says Campbell, who adds that he has some assets on a hardware device and locked in a bank vault. Trezor is among the best cold wallet options, says Charlie Brooks, Chris-Son and CPO, and co-founder of Crypto Asset Recovery LLC. A cold storage solution is the safest place to hold your funds. A physical hardware wallet from Trezor, such as the Trezor Model T, is a solid choice for the security-minded crypto investor, experts say. At $280, it's not cheap. However, the Model T has numerous features that make it a standout, such as a large, full-color touchscreen display, and add-ons like Shamir Backup, a Trezor-designed security standard only available for the Model T. The Shamir Backup lets you create 16 recovery phrases to use as backups. The security standard also offers protection if your wallet is stolen or destroyed by allowing you to recover the entire thing using a recovery seed. 5. Ledger Nano X. As we've talked about, cold wallets are the best way to keep crypto assets safe because they aren't always connected to the internet. This makes them much less likely to be hacked. And hardware like the Trezor Model T can go a long way toward making sure your possessions stay safe. But there are cold wallets that won't cost a lot of money. We think the best cold wallet for investors on a budget is the Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X can hold many more coins than the Trezor Model T and cost less. The experts said that Ledger wallets and Trezor wallets are the best ways to protect holdings. Even though the Ledger Nano S is cheaper, the Nano X is better because it has more features and doesn't need to be plugged in because it has Bluetooth. The Nano X can run up to 100 apps and many tokens and coins. It's a good choice if you're an active investor who wants to keep an eye on many different cryptocurrencies. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.